Alesis electronic drum. There's supposed to be something wrong with this pad. Let's see. I see one missing screw here. Okay, let's take it apart and see. It's very loose also. Feels like it's very loose. Okay. Here we go. It's my multiple pads. Well, what can we see? So this is one. Okay, I see already one thing for sure. See this wire? It's broke. So this sensor is dead. There's more sensors. This is the second sensor. I'm gonna test them. This is some sort of volume, I'm not sure, I have to check what this potentiometer does. But yeah, this needs some work. Very interesting. Looks like it's been clean cut. Very strange. Alright, the second one looks okay. And there's the third one somewhere. Okay, I gotta take this off. This is one more sensor at the bottom. This one looks fine. Alright, so I'm gonna try to fix this first and then test it and see how it behaves. My guess why it's happened, because this wire goes to this sensor. It's very stiff. See? It's like springy almost. So you see this wire is like spring. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to cut it and connect a piece of very flexible wire in between. This way I can eliminate any vibrations. Here we go. See, it's very stiff. I'm gonna be using this fine gauge little wire. Same here. Red, black to black. Okay, see? Now this wire is very flexible. So it doesn't matter, all the movements will be fine. Just like this. Alright. So this is the sensor for the rim shot. It goes at the bottom of the plastic enclosure. And then it goes to the output jack, which is wired stereo. And the rim shot sensor goes to the ring. And these both sensors mixed with this potentiometer, it's supposed to balance between side and center sensors. So this goes to the tip of this connector. So I'm gonna try to put everything back together now. Sometimes I have to. Okay. So, taking a closer look, I also noticed that this center piece, this plastic piece, it had a little bridges that go to the side of this big plastic ring, and these little bridges broke on both sides. So this is very flimsy design, and what I've seen on the internet, everybody complains about this. The whole plastic piece is mounted on the foam and glued to it. So this foam, I guess, will prevent it from totally falling apart. And let's hope for the best that it will sound okay. Alright, so now I need to put and they're missing screws and fork magic. Let's see if you can find it. Alright. Try to orient this Alesis. This is holding like this, aligned with nothing. Just like that, so I'll keep it this way. Okay, let's connect it and try. Alright, rim shot. The balance. All the way counterclockwise. All the way clockwise. Most to the center pickup. Okay, so I put it in the middle and try to play something. Review of the output board and potentiometer that's on the side. I thought it's a volume, but it's a balanced potentiometer. It has a 7-pin dual gang audio potentiometer, 100K, and that's the input for the side piezo pickup, and this is the input for the center piezo pickup, which is the most important, which one was broken with broken wire. And it's dual shaft. That's the schematic, so it works this way. Counterclockwise, it gives you the side louder than the center, and clockwise it gives you the center louder than the side. That's it. And this is the output jack. And the output jack wire is in stereo, the rim shot sensor to the ring, and this output goes to the tip. So if you're using mono, it's going to be only this output, no rim shot, the third piezo that's at the bottom of the plastic enclosure. So this is the second pad, and it has a different problem. The wires are looks okay, nothing is broken. So how I test it, first of all, I plug just my guitar amplifier cable into the output, and this way I can see the responsiveness. So that's the side sensor. You can hear it very good. This is the center. So almost nothing coming out. So it's either piezo sensor is down or something on this board. But this is working good. Okay. Now I need to test individually this sensor and get this board out and see what happens. So look, when I started disconnecting it, I found that the same situation happened here with a black wire though. See? That's it. So I think that's why it didn't work. Okay, so it's good stuff. Very helpful. I'm trying to navigate with my solenoid. On this unit also, these little holders on the sides, they're broken. It's a tiny bridges from plastic, but obviously from using the center pad, hitting the drum in the middle, breaks it. Okay, I resoldered the new wires and looks like it's working fine now. That's the side one. That's the middle one. Very nice. And this, if I half plug it like this, I get this one. That's my side key. Alright, now I have to put some silicone and secure this wire, and it's gonna be alright. This is the final result. Little Kapton tape, and it looks secure now. Let's see how the wiring goes. Pad number 3, the same story. Unbelievable. They just like crystal glass break. And the side sensor is always okay. It does have a little different wire. I think it's thinner wire and more flexible. But this guy is very stiff. And with time, I guess this whole isolation becomes very brittle. So this one is good. This one is dead again. The same thing all over again. So number 3 is done. It's all good. New tiny flexible wire. The only thing it's additional pain here, it's these little things got unglued. So I'm just go to secure them with a contact cement. Just putting a dab of contact cement and putting it back in place. Just like that. dry a little bit and then put everything together.